A picture is worth 1,000 words because a single image can convey complex ideas and emotions far more effectively than words alone. Did you know PowerPoint offers a huge library of stock images right at your fingertips? And if you're looking for even more, check out FreePic, Unsplash and Pexels. They're packed with free options. Watch out for sneaky redirects to sites that aren't free. Once I ended up creating an account, and within a week scammers were asking for Bitcoins to keep my compromat secret. Pro tip: always download the highest resolution image available. Later you can crop, edit and finally use PowerPoint's built-in compression tool to make your file sizes more manageable. You've got that great picture on your slide, but it doesn't quite match your brand. How do you get this image to look like this? Simple, just use PowerPoint's recolor tool to change the image to your brand colors. You can even fragment the image and add different colors to each fragment for a creative touch. Let's get those artistic juices flowing with the illustrations section of PowerPoint's icons tab. Notice how these illustrations automatically match your scheme's colors. But if you need a custom touch, just ungroup the illustration and recolor each part to your liking. Looking for a personal touch? PowerPoint offers cutout people that you can use as avatars to add some character to your slide. And if you want something more playful, why not build your own cartoon character? Choose from PowerPoint's toolbox of characters and give them a splash of color that fits your style. You've nailed your color design. Dominant color? Check. Secondary color? Check. Accent color? Check. But how do you get your image to match this perfect palette? Easy. Just adjust the color and transparency of each image to create a monochromatic effect that ties your visuals together. Need to talk about an exhibition of famous pencil or charcoal sketches? No problem. Transform familiar images into charcoal, pencil or watercolor sketches with just a few clicks using PowerPoint's Artistic Effect toolbar. Once you've perfected an image or a set of images, you can save them as JPEG or PNG files to use again later. And here's my favorite trick. Add a little animation to your images and save the slide as an animated GIF. It's a simple way to bring your presentations to life. Sometimes an image has too much background detail that distracts from its main message. That's when PowerPoint's Remove Background tool comes to the rescue. Just go to Picture Format and click on Remove Background. Make sure you mark the areas that you want to keep and those that you want to remove, so your focus stays sharp. For the best results, start with an image that has a plain background. It makes the editing process smoother and faster. But if PowerPoint's tool doesn't quite give you the result you want, don't worry. Head over to remove.bg or other free online tools. Links are in the description below and in the comments to get the job done. And here's a pro tip. Once you've isolated your subject, add a splash of accent color to match your presentation's color theme. It's a quick way to make your visuals pop and feel cohesive. This technique is also perfect for amplifying the impact of your visuals. For example, if a small pile of cash doesn't get your point across, multiply it. Turn that one solitary cow into an entire herd. PowerPoint offers a rich variety of themes and templates, giving you a head start with ready-made slide background. But if you're looking for something unique, why not create your own background from scratch? Start with a blank canvas and customize it with a solid color, gradient or even a picture of your choice. Here's a quick trick. If you have a picture on your slide, press Ctrl+X to cut it. It's gone from your slide but saved to your clipboard. Now head over to Design, Format Background, Fill, Picture or Gradient Fill and choose Clipboard as the source for your background image. Watch how your slide transforms as the picture reappears as a beautiful background. And your picture doesn't have to be a photo. Create your own background using shapes and gradient colors. Once you're happy with your design, save it as a JPEG or PNG file. Insert it on the slide and use the clipboard trick again to make it your background. So go ahead and experiment. The more you play around with these tools, the more powerful your presentations will become.